4841 El Campo Grande. The occupant is home with 2 puppies, so there may be a little bit of noise. I won't talk over them. Okay. So we have tile at the entry, and then we have carpet. We have curtains rather than blinds on the front window, and then we have vinyl blinds the second. The baseboards are painted the same color as the walls. The carpet looks like it's in good condition. We have an upgraded light fixture, and the paint condition looks to be good. It's a tannish color. I'll just start off here to the left. We have laminate in the laundry room. So far, window count, we're at 2. Mirrored closet panels, carpet looks good, paint looks good. Laminate floors, looks like quartz counters. Undermount sink, upgraded fixtures. The light fixture looks good. This tub requires very minimal at all, actually, grout, which is good, easier on maintenance. The carpet still looks good. We're at window count 5. Paint looks good. And we do have carpet in this area here. It's about $5 a square foot to replace carpet on the first floor, but this is a Jenny call because we currently have the carpet and it's in fine condition. So, but we have laminate in here. Lots of storage, and if I were a light, where would I be? Well, that's the closet. Okay, and tile here that does require grout, and then we have white walls here, so we have a transition to white in the bathroom. Okay, another room in good condition. From what I can tell, it's good condition. We're at window count 6. Walls look good, so does the carpet. And we'll head to the kitchen and the backyard. Thank you. Of course. So we have laminate flooring in the kitchen, tile counters, cabinets look good, nice modern pulls, white counters up top, and 7 for windows. Oh, we have a pantry here. Carpet looks good. 7, 8. So 8 total horizontals. We'll examine this closer at a later time, but the verticals look to be in good condition from what I can tell. Install about an 8x10 paver out back, and then some rock. This is one of the more private backyards that you'll find in Las Vegas. Also, installing the paver is a minor thing. It's a few $100s. Okay, so that's the property.